Hello, this is Steve with the Free Bullion Investment Guide. Today is March 16th, and I'm doing a review and outlook for the US dollar. This is the US dollar's 4-hour chart, and in review of last week's video, I had shown you this rising wedge pattern that the US dollar found itself in. It is a negative pattern, and the dollar did break below it as expected. Now, the reasons behind the U.S. dollar's fall in price are many. First off, we had inflation come in at only 0.2% in February, and we had retail sales come in at only 0.2% in January, and the December number was revised down to 1.6% from the 1.2% initial decline that was originally reported last month, I believe. So that basically told the Fed at their next meeting, which will be coming up on March 20th of next week, but that basically told them that they don't need to raise rates, which nobody's expecting them to raise rates in the first place, but it just helped the dollar to fall in price early in the week. Now, we also had the brick exit votes that also helped the dollar to fall in price. We did have the dollar come up in price on Thursday. However, on Friday, North Korea was basically talking about removing themselves from the nuclear talks, and that helped the dollar to continue to fall. Now, as far as the outlook for the U.S. dollar, we're really seeing more of the same. Really what we've seen week after week is 1 week the dollar is rising, the next week the dollar is falling, the next week the dollar is rising, and so on and so on. And really, we see one of the same patterns that we've been seeing for the last several weeks coming out of the US dollar, and that is a falling, expanding wedge, which is a positive pattern for the US dollar. The dollar is expected to break above it sometime in the future. The $97 level, though, has become resistance now that the US dollar has fallen below it. So the label here will be changed. I'll just change it real quick. I'll just make it 97. So you get the idea with the red line. So anyways, the $97 level is now resistance. We have 96.39. The US dollar did stop at this level early in the week. About on Wednesday afternoon, it stopped at 96.39, making that a new support level. And we have the $96 support level as well. As far as the outlook goes, we do have a Fed meeting on, let me see here, March 20th here. The market is expecting no rate hike. They're expecting more of the same, and Jerome Powell will have a press conference afterwards, so we'll see what he has to say. It may give a boost to the dollar. We don't know. I'd very much be surprised if we do get any kind of boost out of the dollar as far as the Fed meeting goes. Likely we'll get a lot of sideways movement until after the Fed meeting on Wednesday, and then on Thursday we'll really see how the market interprets the Fed's move, or even Wednesday afternoon. So until next weekend, I thank you for your time. I look forward to talking to you again next weekend. Take care and God bless.